America is printing millionaires in 2026, but only if you start one of these businesses. Stop scrolling. If you want to make real money in America in 2026, here are 10 business ideas that are exploding right now. Number 1, AI automation agency. Businesses need AI tools and most don't know how to use them. Number 2, e-commerce private labeling. Build your own brand on Amazon or Shopify. Number 3, digital marketing for local businesses. Restaurants and salons need online visibility. Number 4, real estate short-term rentals. Airbnb is still powerful in the right markets. Number 5, content creation and personal branding. Attention is the new currency. Number 6, mobile car wash or detailing service. Low startup cost, high demand. Number 7, online course creation. Turn your knowledge into income. Number 8, health and fitness coaching. America loves transformation stories. Number 9, print-on-demand apparel brand. No inventory needed. And number 10, cybersecurity consulting. Digital protection is gold in today's world. If you're serious about building wealth, start now. Don't wait for perfect. Start messy. Start today. In exactly 365 days, you are going to be somewhere. Will you be in the same spot or will you be unrecognizable? Most people aren't afraid of failing. They're afraid of the work. Success isn't a subscription service. It's a slow, quiet process of discipline. You're waiting for the perfect time, but perfect is just a pretty word for procrastination. You're building a habit of quitting. Stop looking at the mountain and just look at your feet. One step, one rep, one page. That's how the mountain gets climbed. The version of you that wins is already inside you. Hard work doesn't guarantee success, but a lack of it guarantees failure. Choose your hard. If you're ready to start, comment committed below. Follow for the reminders you need. Let's get to work. Today is day 1.